Hello, my name's Edward from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. I just want to take a moment to walk around this stunning Mercedes-Benz CLA35. It's just come into stock with us. Now the car is a 2020 70 registered car. It's a Premium Plus, so it's got a whole host of optional extras. Finished in sun yellow, with a full black leather interior as well. As you can see from the outside, all black. Got these gorgeous 19-inch AMG multispoke alloy wheels. Those massive AMG brakes as well. Keyless entry. We've got the massive panoramic sunroof at the top as well. The car's in excellent condition. Got a lovely diffuser. A few of the features. We've got front and rear sensors, obviously. Rear camera. Power tailgate. Got a massive boot. The rear seats do fold down for a bit more space if need be. The rear here, everything's all in very good condition. So we've got the electric memory seats, heated, we've got folding mirrors, we've got the Burmester surround sound system as well, and that full black leather interior with lumbar support. And the blind is currently closed. Up in. See the mileage there, just shy of 43. We've got the larger displays on both the infotainment and the cluster behind the steering wheel too. We have the adaptive cruise, the volume controls. This car's got everything. A nice MBUX system, a lot of customization, hard to see in this light, but you've obviously got the customized lights all the way around the cabin too. Dual climate control. Cup holders which can be increased in size. You've got a wireless phone charger as well. Obviously the trackpad to control all the infotainment screen. Really is a phenomenal spec car. There's manual tucked away in there. If I took it down into dynamic, you've got Sport Plus, different suspension modes here. Obviously different dials on the dash, very customizable infotainment system. Pull that back. That's all the light to the cabin. And we've got the tilt inside sunroof. We'll have a soft limiter on it, but when the car gets going, it really does sound absolutely incredible. Do let me know if you have any more questions about the car. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.